Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to reset Windows 11 laptop or desktop. It will be the easiest method and all can follow this and you will be able to reset the laptop on your own. So, firstly, click on the search icon and type reset. And you will find the best match, reset this PC. Now, here, if you are unable to search, then you can go to the settings and then go to system. And here we will go to recovery. And there you will find reset this PC. Now it says choose to keep or remove your personal files and then reinstall Windows. Now the moment I click on reset PC, I get a new window which says choose an option. Keep my files, and it will remove apps and settings but keeps your personal files. And the next option is remove everything. So if you want to remove all of your personal files, apps and settings, then you can choose this thing. So firstly, we will choose this keep my files, or I'll just simply select, let's go with the keep my files. Once you do that, it will give you option how would you like to reinstall Windows. That means it is asking if you have a partition, the recovery image in your laptop or not. So if you're using a desktop, there could be a possibility you do not have a partition, a recovery partition. But you can try always go with the local reinstall because it is faster and you do not have to download 4+ GB of data to reinstall. So firstly, go with the local reinstall and then it will show you additional settings, restore. You don't have to do anything though. Just click on next and it says plug in your PC. So make sure if you have a laptop, then you should plug the charger, and I have just done it right here. So the moment I do it, I go to back and now I'll click on next and it's getting ready. Very soon we will have a different window and it shouldn't take much time. It's a very easy process and you can do it. Here it says resetting will change settings back to defaults. And since I have selected keep personal files, it will keep the personal files and reinstall Windows from device and remove all apps and programs that didn't come with this PC. So the factory apps will be there. You can see view apps which gonna removed. So once you click here, you will see the list of the applications which is going to be removed, and whatever you had earlier when you bought the computer, that will be there. So I'll click on back and I just have to click on reset, and this will take a while and your PC will restart, and you just need to follow the online instructions. It is very easy to follow. It might restart for a few times and you will be able to reset your whole computer. Right. So this is how you can reset your laptop, Windows 11, or even Windows 10 is also the same procedure. So if you find anything is wrong in your PC and you try to repair any glitches there, you can always go with the reset. If you have virus in your computer, you should reset even if it's bothering you. All right, so do let me know in the comment section whether you are able to reset your laptop or desktop or not. I'll be glad. I'll help you, and leave a comment, and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.